Today we're on the Scarlet Lady. Miami, Florida on September the 27th, 2021. This was the Scarlet Lady preview in Port Miami. About a week and a half before the Scarlet Lady made its official debut in the U.S. waters that had already done some sailings overseas in the U.K. So this was our chance as travel advisors to kind of roam the ship and see everything. We are currently in the Gorgeous suite, and in a minute we're going to be moving over to the Brilliant suite.
Well, there you go. Okay, you here. Oh, yeah, she went. I went in. And then I was like, where did she go?
Sorry. Interesting design choices. Purple. These would be VIP cabins.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, hello.
How much is your sir?
Any of these opened? Or?
For the showroom?
Yeah.
I believe on the other side.
On this side? Okay.
Yeah. With the mark on the white.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
It's gonna be that one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The rock star? There you go.
This is the Brilliant suite. Ooh. The size of the... We're gonna put your clothes right there. It's super big. Oh, I love the shower. Look at the shower. Come in the door, and it's to the left. Look at the shower head in the ceiling back there. See that silver disc? That's the shower head. And the straight ahead is the toilet. Remote controls. And that's a little strange. How you can see into the shower from the bedroom. Okay, that's different. And let's see what we got in here. Smaller, but still very nice. Got gunmetal gray over there. And of course the hammock. Gotta have a hammock. Glasses and shakers and everything on standby. In case you're going to have a party in here.
Here's one. Oh, yes.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
You want to go in?
No, go ahead.
And then there's a solo.
So day 14. Huh. So that's interesting. So we have to go all the way down to deck 7 before we see anything else. So let's put that to the test. There's the purple again. So now we're on deck 13. Nothing but cabins. Very interesting mood lighting. Definitely an interesting color scheme. Deck 12.
What about the M is? Oh, inside. Maybe, yeah, inside. The middle.
Just follow them. Let's see if we can- Oh, there's definitely something down there to look at. Interested to see where the sea terrace cabins are. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
What is this, the Seriously Sweet?
Yes. Seriously sweet.
So this is the lead-in, I think she